In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix advertiser verification in Google Ads. So first, make sure you are logged into Google Ads account. Now, go to the bell icon in the top right corner to review any notifications. So as you can see in here, I don't have yet a issues about advertiser verification since my account is new. So assumingly we have that kind of issue. So look for an alert about advertiser verification and the deadline complete it. Now, to identify the requirements, Google may request business verification identity or both. Review the specific verification type required for your account. To start the verification process, access the verification section, navigate to billing section, and you will see there the advertiser verification. After you select that, you will see here the process or update for your advertiser verifications. But as you can see in here, I don't have yet an issue about that. But I must complete a two verification. But to show you all how to start or to verify it in here, I will click this restart verification. So let's begin. Once you click that, you will be redirected to a page where you need to tell your organization's information. So in here, Google Ads will ask you some questions and you'll need to answer it promptly. So in here, I'm going to choose no. As for the question, is your organization in advertising agency? So I don't have a organization. That's why I select the no. So once you finish this procedure, on the very end of this page, you will see here the Save and Continue button. Click on that once you finish answering those questions. Once you click that, you will be redirected to the advertiser verification page. So for the second verification are the verify agency and the identify your client. So in here you'll need to pass a document or a ID to be verified in advertiser verification. But since I don't have a ID that I can show to Google Ads, let's assume that we have a ID for that. So you'll need to finish that procedure and you're done. Your issue will be fixed and that's it. That's how you fix the verification in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.